What's really good, fam? It is your boy, David, brand new, back with another video for you. And today should be a banger video once again, guys. All right. Last video, you guys saw that I painted Leticia's handlebars black. You see the custom paint job. You see it. So yeah, Leticia is officially a BMX bike. But I want to test her abilities. You know what I'm saying? I want to see if she really is a BMX bike. Can she hang with the big boys? Am I lost? I think so. Hold on. Let me check my phone real quick. GPS is not updating. Okay, whatever. So look, I want to see if Leticia can hang with the big boys, right? Is she a BMX bike? Is she an e-bike? Or is she something in between? You know what I'm saying? So today we're going to find out. Hold on. I just found something dope. But yeah, last night I was on my phone and I was searching for like local skate parks, you know, to see if I could take her up there. Hold on, let's go off this little, yeah, okay, handling well, Leticia. Let's go down. Yeah, Leticia. Okay, you just might hang at the skate park. So yeah, last night I was on my phone. Oh, this is nice. Okay, I'm sorry guys, I'm having too much fun. Last night I was on my phone and I was trying to find a local skate park. I found one that's not too far away. So we're gonna take her over there and we're gonna see how she handles, guys. We're gonna see. Hopefully there's no people over there because I don't even think e-bikes are allowed at skate parks. What is this? Yes. Leticia, are you a mountain bike or are you a BMX bike? Let me find out, Leticia. Oh shit. That was some thick sand. Hey, she's handling herself off-road though. This wasn't supposed to be the video, but shit. Let me know. Let me find out if you a freaking mountain bike. But yeah, so we're gonna take it up there. Hopefully it's nobody there because I'm not trying to get cussed out like, you know, regular bikers, they don't really like e-bikes and stuff, especially at skate parks. So yeah. We're gonna see. I changed these handlebars out, what, like 2 weeks ago? I've been riding it like this. And dude, the handling is like 100 times better. It's something that you really gotta like feel for yourself. But trust me, like, I don't know if it's like because the handlebars are a little bit wider, but I feel like I got way more control on my bike. Like, it's crazy, dog. So anybody out there that's on the fence about doing this modification, just do it. All right, there's like no downsides. A couple people were concerned if you could fold the handlebars down, and you could do that. All you gotta do is just loosen these bolts. I don't know if you guys can see them, but you just loosen these bolts and the handlebars fold down. So you still can fold the bike, all right? Just do it. It's amazing, all right? Now, if you do have back problems, don't do it because these handlebars are low as hell. You're gonna be like hunched over. It's inevitable, but if you don't have back problems, I would do it, honestly. So look, on the way, right? We don't have to wait till we get to the skate park to try her out. We're gonna test out her BMX abilities, okay? We're gonna be jumping off of curbs. Also, another YouTuber goes by the name of Urban Grizzly, all right? Not just any grizzly bear, not a grizzly bear from the suburbs. He's urban, all right? He challenged me to do a wheelie, right, for 5 seconds. And if I do that, he'll give me a free hoodie. And his merch is tight as hell. So I'm definitely gonna try to do that right now, actually. Hey, Grizz, I'm sorry. I gotta drop it down to freaking 1, okay? And I'm gonna turn off the freaking motor just so I can complete this challenge. Here we go. 5-second wheelie, here it is. Oh shit, this bike is heavy as hell. Hold on, here we go. Oh shit. Oh, okay, hold on, guys. Here we go. Nope. Oh, Grizzly. I can't do it. That was like a 1/2 second wheelie. My gosh. This bike is too heavy, dog. I really want your freaking hoodie. That took a lot out of me. Whew, I'm tired. One thing that I'm still getting used to is being able to like ride with traffic, right? So right here, you could technically go in the turning lane and turn with the cars instead of having to go over there on the freaking crosswalk. This is way better because the crosswalks take forever, dude. Like, you literally have to cross the street and then cross the other street just to get to where I'm at right now. So yeah, I'm still getting used to that because it does feel weird being next to a car, you know what I'm saying? But technically you could do that in California. Guys, if you're enjoying the content that I'm dropping every single week, I need you to hit that like button, okay? It honestly helps out my channel. Every time I get a like, YouTube looks at it and says, hey, people like this. Let me refer it to other people. So that's how we just bring more people to the channel, okay? And all the new people watching this, you know what I'm saying? Hit that subscribe button. Your boy really needs the help, okay? My goal by the end of this year is to have 1,000 people subscribe to my channel. And I think we can do it, okay? I need your help though. I need it. So hit that subscribe button. Turn on them notifications. I'm dropping videos every single week, okay? I feel like I proved myself at this point. How many videos do I gotta drop? All right, let's see. Let's see how she handles. Let's see. Ooh, a little off-road. Here we go. Yeah, Leticia. Let me find out you're a freaking mountain bike. Huh? Let me find out. That was dope. Let's do it again. Little wall ride. Yes. 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 Over here. What is this? Whoa. Huh? Huh? Who said you can't take this off-road? I did. Yeah. So far, so good, okay? She can handle a little off-road action. We're gonna see how she goes off of jumps though, you know what I'm saying? One thing I will say, I am not a professional BMX rider, so if you're expecting some freaking tail whips and bar spins, you came to the wrong channel. I'm a light biker, okay? Like, there's no X Games maneuvers going on around here, okay? I'm not freaking Matt Hoffman. I'm David Brandno. But yeah, what is this? We're completely off track now, but this looks dope, and you know, you can't pass up little opportunities like this to explore. What's over here? Okay, this is dope. Little playground. Little playground. You know we gotta do everything extreme though. Let's go up here real quick. We extra today. We extra. Oh shit, I almost fell. There you go. Ooh. Yeah, off-road. On there. It's nice. Okay. Little wind. Hitting corners. Look at that. Handling is A1. A1. What's up, man? Out here working?
Yeah, the train.
Yeah. Let's go over here. Oh shit, it's some mulch. Oh, get off that mulch. There it is. Look at this. Who would have known we had this in our backyard, guys? I mean, you gotta get out there and explore, you know what I'm saying? You're missing out on life. Look at this joint. What is it? A swamp? Are we in New Orleans or something? What's going on with the joint? What's this right here? A little jump? Yes, it is. Okay, let me find out, Leticia. But yeah, this is dope. Like, I never would have even known this was back here. You know what I'm saying? I'm sure half the city don't even know this is over here. You know what I'm saying? It's probably a couple dead bodies down here. You know what I'm saying? Like, you would never even know, guys. This is dope. Dope little secret spot. Yeah, we hitting it now. We hitting it. All right, I think we're going a little bit too far now, guys. This is not where we're supposed to be going. I just wanted to check it out. But this is pretty dope. Not gonna lie. One day we're gonna have to keep going up there and check it out, but we're gonna go right back because we got a mission to accomplish today, okay? We're going to the skate park. Let's go. All right, here we go. We're gonna speed through this one. Let's see. A little light off-roading. So look, guys. I freaking bought slime like 2 weeks ago, right? And I keep forgetting to put it in my freaking bike. Okay, I already know one of these days I'm not gonna put it in because I keep forgetting. One of these days, I'm gonna get a freaking flat tire. And it's gonna be stupid as hell because I have slime waiting for me at home. So I just gotta do it. Here we go, look at this. That was weak, not gonna lie. But I already know what's gonna happen. Hold on, let me knock on wood before that even happens, for sure. Like, nah, that's not gonna happen. Knock on wood, knock on wood. I'm not catching the flat, but dude, that would be so stupid if I caught a flat and meanwhile slime is just sitting in my office waiting. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay, that was a nice little detour. Now let's get back on track. Look at this joint right here. I'm definitely not going down that today. Maybe one day, but shit, I need a proper helmet for that, okay? I need some freaking full body armor for that one. Ooh, this is a steep hill right here, guys. I see a lot of comments on freaking Facebook in the Lectric XP like Facebook group saying that the controller like blew out, the freaking motor doesn't work. It's because you guys is trying to do throttle only up these hills. Like, you got to put some leg power in them joints. Look at the LCD. All you got to do is hit the M button, go to freaking current, right? If your current is constantly hitting 20, you're going to burn the freaking controller, okay? You got to monitor this, especially if you're going on hills. Like, it should never just stay on 20 for a long time. If it's on 20, like, just take a break and let it cool down and then get back on there, because you can really damage your bike, okay? And if you're not under warranty, you have to come out of pocket to buy a freaking new controller. The joist is like 70 bucks or something like that. So just, you know, ride responsibly. That's all I gotta say. And don't worry, guys, I did bring a helmet, okay? Some of the people in the comments was like, please wear a helmet, okay? Be safe. Well, yeah, I don't normally wear a helmet while riding, but we taking this joint to the skate park, so yeah, we better wear a helmet. This car's right here about to hit me, and there's the skate park over there, and there's people there, of course. Oh, it's little kids. We're good. We're good. We're good. I thought it was some freaking young teens. Like, if I don't get accepted in here, dog, I'm probably gonna quit YouTube. This joint is tiny. This joint is little as hell. This is pretty sick. This is perfect. Hey, what's up? So, I told you guys about the helmet. Safety first. And here's the helmet I'm rocking today. We got the freaking Frozen joint. This is a top of the line 360-degree protection right here, okay? It's reinforced with freaking steel, okay? Look at this, guy. It says no bicycles allowed in the skate area. But luckily we have an e-bike, so it doesn't count. All right, about to hit the cleanest line ever hit on an e-bike at a skate park. Here we go. Down the ramp, up the half pipe, quarter pipe, whatever this shit is called. Oh, we're back at it again, over the little hippie. Oh. We're gonna do it 180 in psych. Hey. Yeah, right. Manual over the top, back down. Oh, little hip. Oh, little thingy, I don't know what it's called. That's how you hit the cleanest line on an e-bike, guys. Easy. You ready for this bar spin? Yep. No footer, guys, no footer. Yeah, one-hander lander. Here we go. One hand.
I'm famous now.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's steep as hell. I want to do a loop, but I don't know if I can get up that. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let's go. We got this. We got this. We got this. Oh shit! That thing is steep over there. Oh no! I'm not doing that again. There it is, guys. The Lectric XP officially made it to the skate park, guys. I think this might be the first Lectric XP at a skate park. Let me know if you guys took it to one already. But yeah, how does she handle? I think she did fairly well, guys. Despite how heavy she is, she managed to freaking go over everything. You know what I'm saying? If I wasn't so scary, I could have took it off of some extreme stuff, but it handled most of the skate park pretty well, not gonna lie. Let me know where I should take Leticia next, okay? There's gotta be more things to do with this bike. But as far as skate parks goes, I think we conquered it, guys. I'm not gonna lie to you. All right, guys, that's the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If so, hit that like button one time for your boy. Until the next video, deuces. Like that.
Look, money, my money, my money. Living a life and that for me. You cannot tell me you want me. I gotta get it 100. I gotta get it 100. 100 times over 1,000. Looking at me like I'm